Did you know the power of your written word? And did you know that if you've written something down and your client doesn't understand, you confuse them and you lose them? So here's a really easy way to make sure that everything that's written down that you want your clients to understand, they do. So get a copy of any documentation that you use. It might be emails, it might be terms of engagement, contracts, statements of advice, ROAs, any type of documentation that you use where you've had to write something that you want your clients to get. Give someone a copy of them, not a client and not someone that's in the industry. Someone who's a human that is outside the industry, so they don't really do what you do every day. Give them a copy of it and give them a highlighter pen and say, I want you to read through it, and everywhere that something doesn't make sense or is not clear, highlight it for me. Let them go through that process, give it back to you, and you've got the best litmus test to then be able to go back and reword or rewrite some of that content so that the human sitting on the other end reading it beautifully understands exactly what you were meant to say. They get the message and then they can take action and do whatever it is they need to do. So go and give it a go. It's really easy, it's really simple, and it's really effective because after all, you are a valuable advisor.